Hi YouTube! So we're about to head out and go to Center City. We have to buy a couple gifts for some friends and walk around a bunch, and Lee has to get his SEPTA card so he can travel without spending a ton of quarters.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So we just got off the trolley on 15th Street, which is City Hall. So this is a good time to show you my favorite building in the whole city. Park outside of City Hall called Dilworth Park that has like this weird fountain in the ground, and yeah, I don't know, it's pretty cool. City Hall has always been like one of the coolest buildings to me because it's like open in the middle and it's just really pretty and probably super old, and yeah, so anytime I get a chance to stop by here, I don't take the opportunity for granted. It's pouring, so we're under a thing. We've almost made it to shelter. We're almost there. I see hope.
That's not mine.
Do you feel like a Philly resident?
Always.
Well, we got rained out, so we're on the trolley heading back to our apartment.
So that was our little trip into the city. Unfortunately, we got rained out, but we got a couple of things done. We got my SEPTA pass, we got presents, you know. As you can see, I already changed. She's still wet and needs to get changed, but
it's not always sunny.
No,
in Philadelphia.
That is a complete and utter lie.
Honestly, the rain wasn't that much of a bummer. It was kind of fun once we were like, well, it's raining.
Oh well, we're just gonna walk. I hope you enjoyed our little trip into Center City. There's going to be plenty more because there's...
We didn't get everything done today.
we didn't get anything done, really. So, we're going to go cook some dinner, and we'll see y'all in the next episode.
Thanks for watching!